Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about the Deluxe 20-foot RV sewer hose kit with Y connector. This kit comes with everything you need for a quick and reliable RV sewer hookup for full-time camping. The two 10-foot Deluxe sewer hoses are made of 18 mils thick super heavy-duty HTS vinyl. Each comes with pre-attached swivel bayonet fittings and swivel lug fittings that rotate 360 degrees for easy connection. They also come with 4 storage caps. Each hose compresses to approximately 2 feet for easy storage in a 4-inch square RV bumper. The swivel bayonet elbow comes with a 4-in-1 adapter, allowing it to connect to any dump station. It also allows you to see when it's finished draining. The elbow detaches from the 4-in-1 adapter and stores easily inside a 4-inch square bumper. The Y connector lets you connect 2 sewer hose assemblies to 1 dump station. This is useful with RVs that have 2 separate holding tanks, as you can drain both at the same time. So there you have it, Camco's Deluxe 20-foot RV sewer hose kit with Y connector. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.